a routine that when I first started with the Green Grass Cloggers back in 1983, way back when, I saw a traveling team that we had at that time to do. And I've always wanted to do it. So it's about 23 years or so later, and I have the pleasure of doing it. So it's a little routine called Chaos. And hopefully I won't be the one that makes it chaos. So, all right, guys.
What?
That's only about the third or fourth time we've done that for a crowd since we reconstructed it. We spent several months reconstructing that dance for a video, and it feels good. I don't know how it looked to y'all, but it felt good to us.